DYWIDAG are much more than a geotechnical supplier, which is what we're well known for in this region. From a monitoring business, we have a principal contractor license with Network Rail. We have surveying teams, monitoring teams, and then we have our development team on our data platform infrastructure intelligence, and we have our installation teams that actually go in and install our technology.
I'm Peter Assender, I'm Managing Director of DYWIDAG Limited, and we're hosting today's event called Track to the Future. I think this Track to the Future event is very important. It's very important that our key partners are here supporting the event. The partners play a critical role. They're handpicked for their expertise in what they do, and they bring together a portfolio that really supports DYWIDAG's monitoring solutions.
Making sure that our customers have the latest, most relevant and appropriate data and sensors and hardware available. An example of that is a recent project we did for Network Rail, and it was the first implementation of this new technology. We call it SmartGuard, giving real-time information to the relevant stakeholders in Network Rail.
The collaborative element of this is essential. We are a manufacturer of product, and we develop products and solutions to solve a problem. But to visualise that and to present that data requires a partnership with a company like DYWIDAG to actually deliver the full rounded solution. So smart devices really, as the name suggests, are smart. The devices that we manufacture have their own processing capabilities within the devices, but the intelligence within the device enables us to acquire data on a triggered acquisition basis, or indeed provide alerts and event detection solutions which are very, very reactive. In terms of how reactive they are, we're looking at about 1/4 of a second for the device to send an alert to its base station, and around 2 seconds for that to then appear on a visualization platform. So a 2-second delay between something happening and an alert being generated obviously has a significant benefit in terms of public safety, particularly in relation to landslides, landslips, and the rail environment, generally speaking. So today's event, the Track to the Future event, has been a fantastic opportunity to network with companies that are interested in the railscape and the rail sphere in terms of monitoring. I think the biggest takeaway from today, probably the fact that these systems and solutions are, in the first place, available, because not many people know how far this technology has moved, and that their solutions are deployable. It's something that they can implement in their own areas, in their own regions, and on their own assets that require structural health or geotechnical monitoring.